Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into your Google account and confirming sync is on. This keeps your work saved. Once signed in, open Google Sheets via the Apps grid or search. Pick blank for full control or a template to save time. Make sure your browser permits pop-ups and storage, otherwise saving can fail. This first step gets you into the editor immediately, so you can begin naming the file and setting basic sheet layout, row, column widths, and header labels before adding data. Now you populate the sheet, type or paste data straight into cells, and use Ctrl+Enter to fill multiple cells quickly. Once data is in, apply formulas like equals sum and equals average, and choose relative versus absolute references to control how formulas copy. Use formatting, bold headers, number formats, and color to make meaning visible. Freeze the top row to keep headers in view, and add filters to explore subsets. These steps turn raw entries into a finish by sharing and automating. Click Share, choose Viewer, Commenter, or Editor, and copy the link or invite collaborators by email. Next, add data validation and conditional formatting to prevent errors, and record simple macros or use app script for repetitive tasks. If something goes wrong, syncing stalls, or edits disappear, check your internet connection and available Google Drive storage, then force a save by renaming the file or duplicating the sheet. That usually restores state and lets you continue with confidence.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.